Good morning, students of standard 11. Today we are going to discuss topic hierarchy of classification from chapter 1, the living world. Hierarchical classification. It is the arrangement of specific categories like species, genera, family, order, phylum, kingdom, placed one above the other. So students, we can say that hierarchical classification is actually the method of arranging particular groups like species, genera, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom, one above the other. So students, this arrangement is called as hierarchical classification. Students, we can understand the hierarchical classification with the help of this picture. Students, here in this picture we can easily notice that there are certain categories which are arranged one above the other and which ultimately forms the kingdom. So students, we can say that the kingdom has further 6 smaller groups. Kingdom, it is collection of huge number of division. So students, kingdom actually is a collection or group of huge number of division. So students, we can understand the concept of kingdom with the help of this picture. Students, here we can easily notice that there is presence of a kingdom here, that is Animalia. Students, this kingdom Animalia is made up of huge number of phylums or divisions. So students, we can see here that kingdom comprises of huge number of phylums or division in plants. So students, if we concentrate on this picture, we can easily notice that the kingdom Animalia is made up of phylums, classes, order, family, genus, finally species. So students, we can say here that kingdom Animalia is made up of huge number of phylums which further forms the kingdom Animalia. Division. It forms the important part of hierarchical classification in which plants belonging to the same class are grouped into a division. So students, division actually is the important part of hierarchical classification, in which plants which belong to the same class are being grouped into a division. So students, this concept of division we can understand in a more better way with the help of this picture. So students, here we can easily notice that it is the phylum in animals and division which is used for plants when are categorized together or grouped together, then they form kingdom. And these divisions are themselves made up of huge number of classes which are grouped together to form the division. Class. It is one of the unit of hierarchical classification in which huge number of similar orders are grouped. So students, we can say that class actually is one of the most important unit of hierarchical classification in which huge number of similar orders are grouped. So students, class actually is made up of huge number of orders which are grouped together to form the class. So students, class is also a group of organisms which one way or the other way appears similar. Order. The existence of various families of plants and animals on earth are grouped to form an order. So students, order are actually the existence or the presence of various families of plants and animals which are present on earth. And which are grouped to form an order. So students, let's understand order with the help of this picture. So students, here you can notice that huge number of families when are grouped together, then they form order. So students, here the family involves huge number of groups of plants and animals, and the families of the plants and animals when are grouped together, then it forms order. Family. It is a specific unit of hierarchical classification in which various genus of an organism. Family. It is a specific unit of hierarchical classification in which various genus of an organism are grouped together to form a family. So students, family is the particular unit of hierarchical classification in which huge number of genus of an organism are grouped together. So students, the concept of family we can understand with the help of this picture. Students, here we can notice that in the hierarchical classification, family requires huge number of genus, and actually huge number of genus groups to form the family. Genus, it is a specific group of hierarchical classification in which organisms unable to inbreed and sharing similar features are grouped. Organisms unable to inbreed but share similar features are grouped. So students, genus actually is the specific group of hierarchical classification. It's a specific category of the hierarchical classification in which organisms which are unable to inbreed, that is, which are unable to reproduce but which share the similar features are grouped. So students, genus actually is the specific group of hierarchical classification in which the organisms which are unable to inbreed. Students, here inbreed, that means to reproduce. So the organisms show similar features but are not able to reproduce, that means are not able to inbreed. Students, we can understand the concept of genus with the help of this picture, where the tiger is Panthera tigris and lion is Panthera leo. So students, in this, the genus in lion and tiger is the same, Panthera. In the tiger also the genus is Panthera, and the lion also the genus is Panthera. Students, lion and tiger both share similar features among them, but still they cannot reproduce among them. So this is also one of the unit of the hierarchical classification. Species, it is the specific group of organisms in hierarchical classification which can inbreed together. So students, if you concentrate here, you can understand that these are those particular group of organisms in hierarchical classification which has the capability to reproduce together. So students, here if you concentrate on this picture, you will be able to notice that these organisms are appearing similar with each other, that is, they are physiologically similar, and that is why they can inbreed also. So those organisms which not only appear similar but are also able to inbreed, that is reproduce, then they are called as species. Students, now let's discuss an important question. What is taxon? It represents the exact biological organisms included in a category. All mustard-like plants form the family taxon Brassica, say. Thank you, students.